Hi, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7S and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google feature on this device. So let's open Google application and then tap on the right upper corner, then click here to the settings and tap to voice section, then click here to voice match, and to turn on Hey Google option we should click here on the switcher. But that's not enough, we should add our voice model. So click here to voice model and after that tap to retain voice model. Now we should say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. After that, tap here to finish, and now one will just say OK Google or Hey Google. We can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.